welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, aka Mrs. Shiny Side, and today I have my March Boxycharm unboxing, so let's go ahead and get into it. I am wearing a few of the products today, so I'm going to go ahead and insert clips of me either putting it on or a little bit closer up so you can get a better look at the product. The first product that I tried is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This has an MSRP of $34, so already we are more than the cost of the box. The box is $21 a month. I did use this before putting on makeup today, and I do feel like it helped clean out my pores a bit. It definitely took care of the dryness around my nose. The next product that we have in this month's box is the MŌDA Powder and Soft Glow brushes. I believe you can get MŌDA, which are made by Royal & Langnickel, aka Crown Brushes, at Walmart. And this kit has an MSRP of $29.99. Comes with two brushes, the highlighting brush, this one, and then the powder brush. I actually used this to put on my bronzer and my blush today. I enjoyed it for that. This one with the highlighting brush, I liked it, but it was a little bit flimsy. Like I had a hard time placing the highlight because the bristles are so flimsy. And this has an MSRP of $29.99. The next product that we got in the box is the Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow. I got mine in the shade Rose Gold. I have this on the inner part of my lid, and I will go ahead and insert a swatch so you can get a better look at it. The thing that I found interesting about this product is that it has a lip gloss brush applicator, which kind of confused me the first time that I saw this. I have filmed this a couple of times, which is why I put it on and didn't film it. But it actually made it placing the eyeshadow and making sure that it didn't skip a lot easier, and this has an MSRP of $21. Another product that I tried on for you today, I changed to a different lip product. The lip product that I'm wearing currently is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Artist. We received the OFRA Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Monaco, which is a pink metallic. I'm okay with metallic liquid lipsticks. I personally like a little bit more dimension, like maybe if I put this over something like this in the middle, I would prefer it because I tend to overline my lips on the top because my lip line is pretty much non-existent. But I like the shade. I like that we get OFRA liquid lipsticks in the box. It's definitely not a shade that I would have purchased on my own though. And that has an MSRP of $20. The final product in this month's box that everyone was excited about is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. I got mine in the light medium shade. I heard there were some issues with people getting the wrong shades in their boxes. This has an MSRP of $45, and this is a brand new product. That is what it looks like. I am currently wearing the contour, the blush, and a combination of the brightener shade and this highlight on my face. Personally, I'm not really sure about the highlights. I wasn't using a super dense brush to place it, so I can't say if that was why I wasn't sure about the darker ones, if I could even pull them off, but I really enjoyed the palette. I will definitely keep you posted on the finishing powder because it looks like it has little bits of shimmer in it, so I'll have to let you know how I feel about that. Well, that is everything that I received this month in my Boxycharm. What did you receive? Down below, comment it. Whatever subscription service that you are subscribed to, whether it be Sephora Play, Boxycharm, Ipsy, Glam Bag, any of them, comment down below and let me know which one that you're subscribed to and why, or if you got Boxycharm, what products did you get? I know there's a variation of products you can get in the boxes. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, ring the bell, that way you'll be notified anytime that I upload. Feel free to follow me on my other social media. I am Mrs. Shiny Side on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and I am Stephanie Shiny Side on Facebook and Pinterest. I will see you guys again next time. Bye, guys.